Telangana and Andhra Plastic Manufacturers Association and Hiplex 2026. The managing committee members, office bearers, past presidents, and Hiplex team. They have done a wonderful job by creating the history in South and Central India and India also. Sir, Sridhar Babu garu, after the Telangana formation and after the new government came in, we are really happy that the speech which has been delivered by you is very much energetic for us and very inspiring to our hearts. Sir, the same spirit we need from all the departments, not only from the industry department, but there are a lot of other connected departments. Sir, with the permission of my president, I'd like to just, I think our president had forgotten two things, so I'd like to just remind my president. A long-standing plastic park is pending, and we have already given a proposal for the recycling cluster, where ETP can be made and all the small-scale sector recyclers can have in one place, so that the recycling and circular economy can grow in the state of Telangana. So these are the two issues, sir. I personally request, and on behalf of the industry, you have to make us move forward, sir. Thank you. Friends, as we all know that our dearest associations from All India Plastic Manufacturers Association, Shri Arvind Mehta, who is a godfather figure for Indian industry. So we are blessed on this occasion. I also thank the Raju Desai ji, Plastic India President, for his presence in this August House and given a address. I am proud that the Raju Desai ji is, after becoming the president, this is the first assignment in the state of Telangana. Hope you will carry all the associations together without any partiality. All the exhibitors, sponsors, and the government agencies, especially the MSME, those who had provided our small-scale sector a 60-number window for the benefit of the MSME members. We humbly thank you, the MSME Department, Government of India, and Telangana Office. Thank you, sir. Without the sponsor support, without the encouragement of the sponsors, no organization can grow. With wholehearted, after 23 exhibitions, most of the sponsors had given a helping hand and to create this infrastructure and make this event more meaningful. I personally and on behalf of Telangana and Andhra Plastic Manufacturers Association, I really thank all the sponsors, government agencies, electronic media, print media, and especially our raw material suppliers, GAIL, IOC, HMEL, and other people who had came all the way from their head offices and they're witnessing this event. Sir, my humble request to the raw material suppliers, we know the situation, but still the MSME needs a rolling hand at any taken point. I request to see that how best we can grow together. I finally say that without the support of the marketing team, Shri Shiv Kumar Gupta ji and Bhaskar Reddy and team, we would have not achieved this great achievement. I thank the total Hiplex team and TAAPMA team for making this event more meaningful and more better opportunities for our entrepreneurs. Thank you once again. Thank you all.